Hi, I'm Matt Nyer. I'm a Senior Applications Engineer for Makino. And in today's tech tip, we're just going to give you some safety advice. What we're going to focus on today is the tool data page and the H geometry column. Okay? So, in my time spent training people on these controls, as we've moved to a measurement type system, an automatic tool measurement, or any machine that uses gauge length programming, if you didn't know, I'm going to tell you right now, having a 0 here, that number that you're putting in there, that positive value, is a distance that it moves the spindle away to accommodate for the whole tool, the holder and the tool sticking out of it. It is actually a backup distance. So if we have a 0 there and there's a tool in the spindle, it's going to try and put whatever's in the spindle through wherever position you're going. So what I do to try and eliminate that possibility is I will come into anywhere there's a 0 for a tool that's not set up, and I will put the maximum tool length allowed in the machine in there. And then I train people that if you see this max tool length, which on this machine, the Makino DA300, is 300, that tool has not been set up. But with that gives it at least a value, a fairly large value to back up, and hopefully if somebody would call this tool inadvertently, improper tool number, tool's not set up, forgot to set it up, hopefully we can eliminate that potential for a bad situation. All right, that was today's tech tip. That was a quick safety procedure for your H geometry on your tool data page on the Makino DA300.